How to log into Disney Plus on TV code. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. And then you have to move into the site disneyplus.com. It will land you on the official page of Disney Plus. Now what you want to do is, in the source bar, you have to add /begin and then search for it. It will open up this page for you. In here it says, enter the 8-digit code you see on your TV. So once you have that code on your TV, you simply have to enter it here. Once you have entered, tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, you will be able to watch your Disney Plus on your computer. This is the only way you can do it. Disney Plus offers wide varieties of episodes of movies, and it also have the great quality of everything. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to log into your Disney Plus on TV code. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.